Welcome to a journey deep into the heart of Python, the programming language reshaping the contours of the digital landscape. Today, Python stands tall as an undeniable force in the world of technology, its unique blend of simplicity and power making it an essential tool in a variety of fields. First, hear from a seasoned software engineer. He shares, Python's power originates from its simplicity and readability. Its intuitive syntax opens the door for beginners and streamlines processes for experienced developers. Next up, a data scientist shares her perspective. Python's extensive library ecosystem, including gems like Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow, makes it a go-to choice for data analysis and machine learning. It's a game-changer for data-driven decision-making. Web development is another arena where Python shines. With frameworks like Django and Flask, Python streamlines the creation of robust, scalable web applications, making the web developer's job a breeze. In a world that thrives on efficiency, Python's prowess in automation is a boon. Libraries like Selenium and Beautiful Soup enable users to automate repetitive tasks, thus saving valuable time and enhancing productivity. Artificial intelligence is redefining industries, and Python is at the helm of this transformation. Python's libraries and frameworks simplify the development of AI models, sparking innovation in diverse areas such as natural language processing and computer vision. To encapsulate, the value of Python in today's world is immeasurable. It's a tool that empowers students, developers, business professionals alike to turn ideas into reality, fueling innovation and progress across sectors. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration into the world of Python. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, continue to code, continue to explore, and continue to unlock the boundless potential of Python.